Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a website for an Irish pub using Mighty Sites. So we're going to produce a simple one-page website for an Irish pub quickly and easily using this system. And I'm actually going to build it for an Irish pub that is here in Colorado Springs. And this Riley's Pub is an Irish pub, but as you can see here, what is it? It's an Irish pub, wonderful people, great service, right? This is an Irish pub, but they don't have a website. So it's actually kind of hard to find online. And this is one of the reasons, even if you think, well, do I need a website? Yeah, it's a good idea to have one. It helps people find you because I searched their name, right? And I'm here in Colorado and they actually don't come up. This is a different business. This is a different business. This is in Breckenridge. This business is actually in Lakewood, Colorado. And I scroll down, that's not their Facebook page, right? So I searched their name, which they have a unique spelling, and Google tries to, basically change the results for me and switch it over to a different spelling. And it doesn't bring up their business at all, even though we can see here they are. So it's a really good idea. Your website, your online business card, it's a really good idea. Even if you have a profile like this or you have a Facebook page, you really want to have a website too. It helps people find you. So you make sure those people that we're going to turn into customers and patrons actually do. So here's the business. I'm going to actually just I'll add Colorado Springs to make it more specific. And there we go. Now we can see that same profile, right? But it would have been hard to find them if I hadn't known to do that. And then we can see they have a Facebook page right here too. So we can use that for the new site as well. So to get started, you just simply go to free trial for Mighty Sites. It's only $9 a month after that. So it's really, really cheap way to have a simple professional website. And I'm just going to look for an Irish pub, which here is the Irish pub template right here. So I'm just going to click on this. And I start by putting in the business's name, which is Riley's Pub. So I'll go back over here, Riley's Pub, and they're in Colorado Springs, Colorado. We can pick restaurant, retail service, other. Maybe you could pick other. I'm going to pick restaurant because Irish pub tends to serve food, be a restaurant. Phone number, here is the business's phone number. So I'm going to insert that right here. Let's see if there's an email. I can go to their Facebook page and see if there's an email at all. Doesn't look like they have any public email address, which is no problem. So we don't have that to put there. So, oh, cool. They've got that nice logo there. Great team environment here. But they don't have email, so no problem. We'll just skip that step for now. No reason to put in an email. Okay, let's put in the exact address. Obviously, we want people to be able to find this pub. Let's find the location. Here we go. It is 5672 North Union Boulevard. So I'm going to enter that right here. And then the postal code, probably a little easier to find on Google. Let's search for that again. Got to move my toolbar. Riley's Pub, Colorado Springs. There we go. Let's see if 80918. Okay, got it. So let's go back and put in the postal code, click continue. What time do they open? Let's check out the hours. So it looks like open at 2 p.m., 2 p.m. to 12 a.m., Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, 2 p.m. to 12 a.m. Monday and Tuesday. Okay, Monday and Tuesday. Let's get those updated. So from 2 p.m. to 12 a.m. There we go. And that's the same hours on Tuesday. Let's see if there are any other days of the week. 2 to 12 and no different day. Okay, so those are those 2 days of the week. So Monday and Tuesday. And then what time they open on Wednesday? 12 to 2 a.m. all the way through 12 through Friday, 12 p.m. to 2 a.m. Okay, so let's do 12 p.m. until 2 o'clock a.m. That's Thursday and Friday, right? Thursday and Friday. Yep. And then Saturday, 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. Okay. So let's go back here, continue. And then on Saturday, 11 a.m. to 2 a.m., 11 a.m. till 2 o'clock. And then we're on to Sunday. Looks like they're open every day. Sunday, 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. Okay. So 11 a.m. till 12 a.m. All right. So now we've got in the hours, we've got in the organization information. If all that looks good, I can click on looks good next. And just like that, Mighty Sites is going to quickly and easily populate a simple professional website for my business. So you can see without me having to do anything else, it just created a simple professional Irish pub website for me. So now I just need to go in here and start editing the template with more information, my own photos, or anything else that's pertinent or relevant to my business. But just like that, pretty quickly and easily, I have this really nice professional website for my Irish pub, and now I can just customize it from here, right? So super, super easy to use platform, really easy to use website builder. So I'm going to click on update section. I know they have a Facebook page. Let's add the Facebook page for this business. So I just simply paste it in there. The Facebook logo shows up and the link shows up. Great. So that was really easy. If I wanted to edit the phone number or location information, I can do that here too. Same way, really easy to do. If I want to update any of the menu item, add something new, I can go over here to update menu, add a new menu item, choose where it links to, either on this site or somewhere else. I can update my location information, or I can add my logo. Let's see if they have a logo here. I know that they have a nice supportive message here, but I don't think that's the business logo. So here, this looks like the logo, which is, as we talked about, Irish pub, right? So this looks like a nice Irish pub logo. Let's see if we can take a screenshot of this. That'll probably be the best way to do it. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to come down and take a screenshot of this logo. There we go. And now I'm going to edit that file. So it is a JPEG because it's a PNG by default, and we would prefer to export this as a JPEG, and we'll just call it Riley's Pub logo. So I'll save that. And now I can go right back here to Mighty Sites and I can upload my logo. Now, if you don't have a logo, one thing I always suggest is check out canva.com. You can go into create a design and you can just literally search logo. So I'd search right here for a logo, and then I want to create a logo. It's free, I think, or extremely cheap to make a logo here. And then maybe I just put pub logo right here. I'd search for it. And then there's all these options that I can use as a template just to create a nice logo for my business, right? So if you don't have one, check out canva.com. It's really simple and easy to create a logo for your business there. But they do have a logo already, so let's stick with that. Now, obviously, if they have the file for this, that would be wise to upload, but I'll just use the screenshot for now. I think that'll look fine for the moment. As soon as I upload the logo for this Irish pub, I click on Save Logo, and now I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller, right? I can do whatever I think looks best here. Make it a little bit bigger. And then I can also, by clicking on this little pencil, I can edit the logo too. There's some really nice editing tools built in. So I was just going to kind of make this a little bit more even because it looked like it was kind of, the picture was taken a little bit bigger on one side than the other. There's a little bit more space. So I'll go like that, crop it, but there's tools to add filters, fine tune, annotate, decorate, frame it, all of that. So you can do tons of different editing tools to make your photos and logos look exactly the way you want on your website too. So once I'm done with that, I'll save it, the edited version. You see it makes a minor change. And now I have my logo up there, right, too. So we're starting to look really sharp. So I've got my address, my social media links, got my business logo. Now, as I scroll down, there's, picture of Guinness here, which definitely could work. But you may also decide that you have some nice photos that you'd like to use. Let's see what photos they've uploaded. Definitely a bunch from this event. And then the other photos don't look like they're photos of the location. Some of them are. That looks like a Halloween party. But again, that might not be the best timing to do. I mean, I really like some of these. St. Patrick's Day related things. Let's just check out one of these photos. Yeah, so that'll be a good one. Maybe we can use in a different section of the website. But I don't see one that's like a big expansive one that kind of shows let's see what their Google business profile shows me. So this is a nice one of the inside. So that might be kind of wise. I love this. How many days until St. Patrick's Day on the wall. Let's see if there are any. You can see the vibe, street view. Again, this is a part of why it's so important to have a website. You can correct these details because this says it's the street view, but I don't see the business here at all. Maybe if I go up the parking lot. Yeah, here, if I go up the parking lot, this looks like maybe it's over here. Kind of seems like that might be the logo, but this is exactly why it's important for small businesses to have websites. Just makes it easier to find. So if somebody clicks on that street view, it doesn't actually take you to the business. So let's go with this here. I think this is really nice. Either that one or this one is a really nice photo too, but we can maybe try that in a different section. So let me start with this. And I'm going to start by taking a screenshot. Again, if this was your business, hopefully you'd have this photo or could download it. For me, I'm going to take a screenshot here and all the way over, down. And let's take a nice screenshot here of the pub. Okay. And I'll go back again to find the file. And I'm going to edit that, change it into a JPEG. So here's the file. Let me export this and say Riley's Irish Pub hero image. So I'll save that to my computer. Go back over here. Let's update this section and change the photo. So Riley's Irish Pub hero. I'll let that upload. As soon as it's uploaded, I click save, close. And now sometimes you just need to refresh, when you upload a new file. And there we go. That looks pretty sharp. So that's pretty cool. Now you can see that's their actual bar there. And again, all the tools are here too. So if you want to edit it again, you just upload, click the pencil, and you can edit the photo as well. So those same options are there. Now, this seems like a really nice headline for this. Family-owned Irish pub, warm and traditional Irish atmosphere. Let's see if they have an about section here. But first, I'm actually going to save this photo because I like this. Riley's Irish Pub photo. I think we'll use this somewhere else on the website. So let me download that. Now let me see. I don't see about section here. Yeah, I don't see an about section. There's best karaoke. I don't see that there. Let's see. We can kind of look at the Google reviews to see. Great atmosphere. Maybe we could say like great atmosphere. A lot of darts, pool, karaoke. Those are kind of fun things to say. So let's go back here and be creative. Let's just say family-owned Irish, warm and traditional. Let's just say Irish pub. Great atmosphere. Let's just say so it looks like a lot of people enjoyed this. And again, you can make this whatever you want, but darts, pool, and karaoke. That's pretty fun. So let's say darts, pool, karaoke. So we've got changes to Irish pub with a great atmosphere. Let me just save that and close this here. So Irish pub with a great atmosphere, darts, pool, karaoke. I think I kind of like it with a dash a little bit better there. And you can do this, again, whatever is relevant for you. Irish pub, and you could just put Irish pub, but we can even do this. Maybe we just say local Irish pub, darts, pool, karaoke. Great at here. It's getting a little long. Yeah, I kind of like it at the top too. And then again, you play around with it, see what you like. Local Irish pub, great atmosphere. Exclamation point if you want. Just leave it as is. You don't need to put punctuation in there either. So I'm going to save that and close. So here we go. Local Irish pub, great atmosphere, darts, pool, karaoke. Now, order online is the call to action that's here by default, but you don't have to use that either. So if you want to, you can actually change that up too. So you can actually switch that to just say, maybe you want them to just drive for directions. That's probably a smart move with this. Let's just say directions. And then we'll choose the link. Actions, we've got their address right here. Confirm, save, close. So a lot of people might be looking for directions. Now, if I click on this, it's going to actually open directions directly to the restaurant too. So it's going to open my Google Maps there to lead me directly to the Irish pub. So this website's coming along great. We've got call to action, directions, and now if I go down here to the rest of this, I can actually change it to be anything that I like too. So I've got my hours, I've got get directions as a call to action there again. I may want to update this hero image too, just to be something more relevant. Let's go back. I really like that photo right here. I think this would be nice. Either that one or that one. Let's go with this one. This looks like a really nice photo. So again, let's take a screenshot, upload this to the website. Really just shows the inside of the Irish pub, gives a great feel for its vibe and for the friendly staff. So I'm going to go down right here, scroll over, take another screenshot, and then I will go to my file. Same thing, export it as a JPEG, and then just say main image of Irish pub or website. Okay, so I'll save that and go back over here. And let's browse this main image of the Irish pub, upload that to the new website. Click save, close. Cool. Now that's a pretty nice photo. That's perfect for that location, right? Shows the staff inside, shows a really nice photo of the inside of the restaurant. Now view our menu. So if there's a drink menu, or if this restaurant serves food, let's see if we can find anything about that. Food and drink here. So we've got one drink and a little thing here of food, but we don't really know if they actually serve food. Let's just see what these say. No, I'm not sure that that's it. So again, I'm sure they have a drink menu, but it's a little bit difficult for us to find, right? Because it's not exactly available. So let's scroll down through here and see if we can see anything about whether they serve food, drink specials, right? Whether they serve food or have, just looking to see if there's a drink menu in the background or something. See, they do have karaoke too, so that's really fun. Okay, so I don't see an exact menu of what types of beer and liquor that they do have. So we can do all sorts of different things with this call to action. So maybe instead, since we don't have a menu, if you do have a menu, just upload the PDF or you can link to it somewhere else. That's really nice. They probably don't want to encourage phone calls necessarily. I think of an Irish pub, I don't think that's necessarily what they want to do, but maybe they want to encourage people to engage and see more about their business. So maybe this is another opportunity for us to just send them back to the business's Facebook page. which is not too bad. And we can encourage people to say like, let's put in the Facebook page, and then let's change this over here, which is the actual wording of the call to action. Let's just change that to like us on Facebook. And you could also do, find us on Facebook, like us on Facebook, but it encourages people to check them out a little bit more. It doesn't hurt to send them to the Facebook page. And now you can see this goes to the Facebook page. So can help get more people likes, and people might want to go see pictures or testimonials, what people have to say in that section. So like us on Facebook is there. Let's replace this image too with that other photo I downloaded that I really liked. This one here of the inside of the Irish pub. As soon as that's ready, save it. Cool. So now there's just another nice photo. And I actually, I may crop this one a little bit or move this. So again, this is what makes it nice. Kind of go like this. Just see how we want that structure situated. Yeah, let's go like that. Like that. Kind of get the clover in there. Perfect. Save. There we go. Cool. So once that's updated, right, about us section, it comes with, that's a really nice thing with Mighty Sites. It already wrote an about section about this Irish pub. So as you're making the website for an Irish pub, you don't have to come up with that content. If you do have it, it'll be there, but this section, is already has something pre-populated. This is already pre-populated there too. We could add about the karaoke, that they offer, in the darts and the pool table. So let's go ahead. We saw that. Flea Stop Bar, Ice Cold Guinness. We host music events, pub quiz nights. Let's add karaoke, darts, pool. We'll just say and more, right? So that's really nice, kind of gets them started, talks about what's there, save that, and that's really relevant to the business. And so the final thing I'm going to do in this about section, because I don't have much here, it's always nice. Let's just share what our customers have to say. So we'll say, I'll actually change this about to say about what our customers say, right? So now and let's erase this section, and let's go back over, because I did see that they had some nice reviews, and let's see what the Google reviews say. This looks awesome. So this is Scott Harper, and he has some really nice things to say about the business. So I'm going to paste that in here. I just clicked this little text thing to get rid of any styling that came with it by default. That was Scott Harper. Let's just put this in italics, help it stand out. And let's add another one. Adding 2 or 3 doesn't hurt, but testimonials, it's always nice to see what other people say. Pool tables and darts. Great singers that frequent the spot, so that's really cool. So if people are into karaoke, that's really nice to see. So again, highlights a different kind of cool thing about this Irish pub, the karaoke that they do. And let's see who said this review. That was Andy Sirois. Andy Sirois. Okay. Little tab there. And then let's put this in italics too. Kind of helps it stand out as a quote. So there are a couple nice testimonials that we got from Google. So that looks really nice there. So now you can see this section, what our customers say. So if you click on about, people can come down here and see what the customers are saying about it. So now, just like that, we've created a really nice, simple, professional website for this Irish pub. It looks really sharp. If you want to change the colors, I think the Irish pub comes in green by default. But if you want to change the color theme, you can simply scroll through here and you can select any color theme that you want. So you can just scroll through this section, select, and there's always more color themes coming, so you can find something that matches your look. For an Irish pub, Probably green is going to make sense a lot of the time. But just like that, now we've created a simple professional website they can use to market their business, whether they do handouts, flyers, want to promote an event, and just, drive people back to their website to find out more information. Now there's a nice, simple professional website here for this business. And I can go back to the site dashboard and I can update the site anytime. I can connect a custom domain right here. I can update my hours. I can update my social media links. So there's a really nice, easy way to manage this on the back end. But as soon as I'm done with that, I can connect my domain, launch this, and I've really quickly and easily created a nice, simple, professional website for my Irish pub, just like that, using Mighty Sites.